Okay, guys, so today we're going to be doing the middle one. There you go. Today we're going to be doing Copenhagen Long Kit. We're going to be putting some chicken flavor in it. It's going to be Copenhagen chicken blend. Putting it in the Copenhagen wintergreen camo can. We don't know if it's going to be good.
Oh no, this shit.
God damn, I'm scared. I got it.
That's too small.
Yeah, I know. Oh, shit stinks.
That shit stinks, y'all. We're uploading 2 videos today, so we just decided to upload this just because we felt
It's
like
I haven't been here in a while. Been on the channel in a while.
Yep. And we ain't upload. We wasn't uploading for 2 weeks, so we decided just to upload.
Alright, guys, so we got the nectar in there. Oh, shit. Move your arm, Nick.
We got the chicken powder in there.
Put it in there, cuz.
Open it. Let's fucking pour this shit in there.
You pulled half of it out on the thing.
God damn.
I bet this ought to be good. Let me hold him up. Let me hold him over.
Alright.
Alright, you ready for this? This is how you fucking do this shit.
Putting it in there. Like, shit, like good as fuck. Tastes like chicken.
I think we put too much, guys.
Who gives a fuck? I think we put the whole fucking package in that motherfucker.
Wipe that off.
Like that shit. You gotta mix it up, shake it.
Yeah, I know.
You can't just pack it because Joe won't get all the shit, so we're just gonna shake it. We'll be back when we get done shaking it. Okay, we finally got done shaking. Okay.
We're gonna shake it a little bit more.
Okay, let's pack this shit. Let's see what the shit looks like. God damn. Hold up, guys. You gotta see this shit. Look.
It looks like sand.
It looks like fucking sand. Look at that shit. Back this shit, unreal.
Oh, it's got a head in it.
You can see that we're fucking.
This video ain't gonna be long, guys.
Cause his parents about to be home, so it ain't gonna be long. We're just gonna put it in and talk about the shit for a minute.
Yeast infection!
God, what is
You
this?
get a whiff of it. Oh, it smells good. Smell it.
That smells like chicken flavor. That's all
all it smells like.
God damn.
It don't smell no long cut. Go look, I think somebody just pulled up.
God damn, this shit about to taste like chicken.
That'd be good.
I'm gonna make this shit.
What the fuck?
It's not
It
packed.
won't fucking pack.
What about all that damn chicken flavor in that motherfucker?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This motherfucker ain't packed now? I don't know what the fuck, dude. I don't give a fuck.
It's good enough.
Oh, it's like sand.
What does shit feel like, Blake?
That shit feels just like sand. Ah, don't touch my damn nigga. One time let me put one in. Dude.
Okay, wait, put shit down. This nigga's stupid. You gotta throw up. You gotta throw up. Okay, let me put my one in.
Nigga, don't do that shit. Oh, pick your ass.
God damn, this shit ain't packing good. This shit's just anal all at packing. Is it good?
Real good.
He says it's good. I don't know about this shit, y'all.
I can swallow my spinach so good.
You can swallow your spit so good. Pack this shit for me, nigga.
Okay.
Hold up, y'all. I'll be right back. Okay, we finally got that shit packed. Let's pack us a can of this shit. What the fuck was there paper in this shit? Trey. Nah, well, fuck it. There's paper all in this shit. There's stems in this. What the fuck is that?
Yeah, it's not paper.
Alright, but I'll just put it
That's
in.
that green shit that goes on the noodles.
This shit feels like sand. Oh my god.
It feels just like sand. But it's good as fuck. I mean, it's so good. Might scrape that can.
Nigga, this shit might get everywhere.
Put it in your lip!
Alright, we got this motherfucker right here.
Don't let it get all over the fucking table.
So let's put this shit in here. Blaze got one in? I'm about to put one in for me. Okay. Is it good for real?
Yeah, it's real good. Swear. Burns like a motherfucker. Had to finish this can off so good. I love it. I love it. This is This is one of our better different experiments.
This is really good.
Tastes just hot noodles.
Mm.
I mean, it's so good. About to finish this can off.
Oh, no pinch.
You better bite the fuck up.
That's my idea.
I came up with that idea. And they did mac and cheese and that. See Redneck TV? You didn't put all of it in there, dude. We put the whole fucking pack in there. That's spit. I can swallow my spit.
Mm-hmm.
I can swallow my spit. Tastes like noodles. Might take the can out. Thanks, Bryce. Oh, it's just like sand. Once it's in your lip, it's okay. Yeah.
Mmm.
Oh, shit. Shit went everywhere. Little fella, little fella. Oh! I got everywhere.
Okay. He about to tell y'all, my bad. But anyway, I'm gonna get my filler. More filler. More filler.
It's just getting in your lip. Go to the bathroom. Go to the bathroom. And say, if your parents don't know you different, get some of this. It smell like chicken noodles. You don't go wash this can out.
This shit good. Recommend this shit. Do it.
No, you spot the rain. Come here. Come look at this nose. Alright. Turn the camera on. Watching the can out right now. So, alright guys. Copenhagen chicken blend was a success. Pretty good.
It's good as fuck. You taste damn chicken the whole damn time. See ya.
That was probably gonna be uploading tonight again.
We're probably gonna be uploading tonight again.
Going to the park. I'm gonna go get my my plug, get me some Red Man. Gonna get some Red Man. I put hogs in Red Man. My fucking jaw was looking out like a baseball. But some people don't like dipping it because it's so expensive. It's good as fuck. I'm getting Red Man, Golden Blend, or original. Alright guys, so, alright. So, Y'all go pick you up a can of this. It's actually good dip by itself. But go pick you up a can of this. Get you some mac and cheese. We wanted to try it with shrimp flavor. Cause that's my favorite kind of noodles. Go pick you up a can of it, man. Tell them who sent you. Dippin' Buzz. Out.